Expressions quiz thinking. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about thoughts, ideas, and thinking. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. A night out dancing should take your mind off your problems. A. Make you forget about. B. Make you think about. C. Make you worry about. Take your mind off means letter A. Make you forget about. Number 2. I can think straight when I'm feeling nervous. A. Think quickly. B. Think directly. C. Think clearly. Answer is letter C. Think straight means think clearly. Number 3. We improve the design by thinking outside the box. A. Thinking creatively. B. Thinking excessively. C. Thinking collectively. Thinking outside the box means letter A. Thinking creatively. Number 4. Jenny has a lot on her mind these days. A. Has lots of ideas. B. Has a lot to think about. C. Thinks too much. Answer is letter B. Has a lot on her mind means has a lot to think about. Number 5. Living with a disability wasn't something that had crossed my mind until the crash. A. I'd learned about. B. I'd thought about. C. I'd talk about. Had crossed my mind means letter B. I'd thought about. Number 6. David had a change of heart and no longer wanted to get married. A. Had a heart transplant. B. Had a new romance. C. Changed his mind. Had a change of heart means letter C. Changed his mind. Number 7. How come they still don't get it after hearing all our stories? A. Understand. B. Remember. C. Laugh. Answer is get it means letter A. Understand. Number 8. Let's spare a thought for all those people who have lost their jobs. A. Get in contact with. B. Find out about. C. Think about. Answer is spare a thought for means letter C. Think about. Number 9. She's in two minds about whether to tell the police what happened. A. Unable to think. B. Unable to decide. C. Unable to forget. Answer is in two minds means letter B. Unable to decide. Number 10. I've been racking my brains but I still can't think of it. A. Trying to remember. B. Trying to find out. C. Trying to imagine. Answer is racking my brains means letter A. Trying to remember. This video ends here about expressions quiz thinking.